Hey guys, good morning and welcome to my art channel TADA-DADA Art Club and the 100 Days of Sketching Challenge. Yes guys, so today is the 40th day of my sketching challenge and I'm gonna change topic today. So what that topic is and what we're gonna do the sketching today, let's go and watch it. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel TADA-DADA Art Club, and as I said that it is the 40th day of my sketching challenge. Yes, and today we change the topic and now onwards 3-4 days or 5 days we're gonna do sketching only on the birds. Yes guys, you heard right, we're gonna do the birds, and today's thing is the bird. And today's bird what we choose is the crow. Yes, the crow is found everywhere in the world. Every corner of the world you go, you can see the crow anywhere. So that we're gonna start with the crow. But before that, if you are new from my channel, please subscribe my channel and press notification bell icon, so you will get all the updates about upcoming videos and events. And if you are interested in my online courses, so please write a mail to me. I given my email ID in description box. So guys, rather than waiting for more, we can go to the board and see what is the references there, and we can start the sketching. Yes guys, so here it is what the crow is there. It's very typical crow. Yeah, there is different kind of crows are there. It's complete black crow, and this reference which has the combination of the gray and black. So generally in India you will find most of these kind of crows, but all over world it's kind of black, jet black crows are there. So yeah, what you will see is what's big thing in this the crow. But yes, it's look very simple, but if you go deeply and understand the structure and the anatomy, and then definitely there is lot of things are there to learn. So guys, let's go and start the sketching now. Yes, so if I see the reference, first of all I can see a head here, which is I can make a simple circle for it just to understand structure, but it is not exact circle, it's kind of oval. So I'm just trying to understand what is the angle is there. So it's little tilted, so you can just see this cross contour, and here is the direction what it is there. So the head is a little tilted towards the upside here. On that, the beak, it is also very interesting, which is a little curve actually, straight and curve, and here it is so one of the thing which I remember is that once I went for the animation test, and in that they asked about to draw the crow, which is very typically the crow found everywhere. But yes, we haven't do lot of observation about it, and it's very funny part that time I'm not able to draw that crow, like how that crow will be, though we are seeing every day. but yeah, that time I'm not able to draw that. So better if you practice anything and everything. Yes, and now here is the eye. It's quite big eye is there and round. Some cases there is a little curvature there, or so you can see prominently one circle and there is another circle around it, and there is little color separation with this kind of thing. You can see it. And now from here, if I go down, the neck is joined here, and you can see literally this is the neck portion which is turned. And from here now the body part start, which is something like cross here. And from here also, if you start, yes, it's a little getting cut, no problem. I purposely did it on this side. I want to show here a big face of the crow with the little more detail, so I kept that space. And yes, so here you can see the wings. And if you see here, there is a bulge, little bulge here, then there's second bulge here, and then it is going these lines here. So you just simply follow the line structure here, but now the real part is that the leg is here. So because of that, actually this body is in this direction. It means, I'll explain. This is what the body curvature or the wireframe should be. So a little tilted, the head is tilted this side, like this way, and body is that, so that will more define when we draw the legs. So legs are attached here, and you can see this is the baseline, but the other leg is here in the perspective. So it's something like this perspective is there. And it is leg is attached here like this body. Similar way opposite side it will be somewhere here, and this is overlap. So that's how it's defined, that it is turned to the back side. Yes, you can see curve here and out and curves. Yes, so that way it is, the curve is there. Again I'll just make this little smaller, and in the same angle the second legs will be. So that way we drawn this. Here also a little change we can make. And yes, these lines what we can see is so double lines, or the feathers direction what we can see here. And you can see this portion is the gray patch in between. Yes, so this way the drawing is, and I'll just make some of this portion dark. You can hear that sound of the crow is in the background, because there are a lot of crows are there in our colony. Or I guess you must have heard every day actually. So the crow identity itself is the black color, but there's a lot of variation into that. It's like gray shades and all, but normally when we draw those things, it's like just simply we make a black color, but it is not exactly black. Yes, those some of the crows are jet black, but it has the shades, different shades for sure. So yes, we're going to do sketching. Right thing I just intend to do the more and more shading and all, but we can ignore that. So this way just you can make this little more darker. The claws are like four fingers, three in the front and one is in the back side. Yeah, so that way we just made the crow, typical crow. So wherever you want to use this normal pose, you can draw that. And now we're gonna sketch a close-up face of that. It's very interesting thing which is in a long shot we can't able to see it, but yes, I'm gonna sketch here. So here there is a little bulge of and curvature dimension wise we can see this, something like this. And that beak actually it's not separate this thing, but it is merged with the skin. So this is the area where actually the socket of the eyes I can say. and in that upper side this eyes will be, which is again the circle form or a little something like this, tilted. So you can draw in the close-up, it's very nicely, you can see the details. There's again eyeball, and this portion actually is the merge with the hairs or the skin portion. And you can see here little bulge on it, and we simply draw something straight, but it is not exactly straight. Yes, this way it is the basic structure of the beak, but it is merged with the hair. And here also, if you go up and make more curvature, and here also the below the beak, actually this and I guess this can be a little bigger, this portion. As I can see here, after the eyes, this is the eye socket, and there is space or bulge I can see, and after that there is the neckline. Below the beak, and you can see the hair flow of this specific area is something like this. It's like a kind of muscles, you can see it. Here also you can see the and this is quite dark portion actually. And these are also the hairs. Some of the overlaps are here. So the beak is get covered by a lot of hairs here. So this way the hairs following the muscles. And eyeball also is very dark. So yes, this way, this very interesting this crow is. You just simply follow these structures, and if you make darker tones, that will be interesting. And this, the lower beak also is the darker than upper part of the beak. Yes guys, so that way we did this sketch of this. Hey guys, so that is the way we completed our sketch of crow. Yes, the very interesting way we seen the first like entire body, and then specifically the face what we did it. So yes, that is what the nicely sketch we did today, and I hope that you will also like it. If you liked, please share it, and please subscribe my channel so you will get all the notification about upcoming videos. So we'll see you tomorrow with the more sketches of the birds and more sketching on detailed study of the birds anatomy and all those. So till the time, yes, you also just keep practicing, keep sketching, and keep smiling.